Hi, I'm Simply Sequoiah, and I'm visiting my sister in Santa Fe and helping her with her garden. And she got some Asclepias or butterfly weed, and this was $18. And I don't know if you can see so well, but there are actually 3 plants in here, which is partly why she chose this one, because she knew that she could divide this and get 3 plants for $18 as opposed to buying 3 1-gallon of the same plant. So my sister had a great idea. So I'm going to show you how I do this. I put my hand at the base of the plant to support it, and then I turn the container upside down. So I've turned the plant upside down and it's fully supported with my left hand, and you can see it has a really nicely developed root ball, which is great, but we're going to be disturbing these roots to separate the 3 plants. So we want to do this in the shade like we are now. We're in mostly shade, and it's a relatively cool spring day, so it's the right weather, and we're going to water immediately after separating these plants to give them the best chance at survival. So there are a lot of ways you can divide these into 3 depending on what tools you have. Like this is a nice sharp looking trowel, so I can kind of cut down. This is working pretty well. You could also try using pruners to kind of cut through, but that will dull your shears pretty quickly. So I'm finding this trowel to work pretty well. So I'm partway through here. I'm separating 2 of them. I'm going to turn it over, and I'm going to separate another 2. Just trying to be gentle. Still 1. But I'm able to pull them apart very gently now. It's hard. So we've got 1, and we want to get these in the ground ASAP. So I need to divide these 2.